Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have some exciting news to share with you. The POS system that I have been building is now open source. Okay, so before explaining you about the open source contribution, first let's see what we built till now. So these are the things we built till now. Now I believe in the power of open source where developer can learn, contribute and grow together. Okay, that's why I am sharing this project with all of you. If you have ever wanted to understand how a real world POS system works, improve your skills or make your first open source contribution, this is your chance. Okay, so this is the source code. You can see that here you can explore the code base, fix bugs and add new features, learn best practices in React, Node and Redux, and also work with APIs and database integration. Okay, and one more thing, you can improve your GitHub contribution history also. Okay, so this is a very important thing when you are doing open source and developing something amazing. Okay, so these are the issues I have posted till now. If you want to contribute, just message below. I will assign the issue to you, and after that you can start working on that issue. Okay, so this is all about the video, and I want to thank each one of you for your amazing support. Your likes, comments and shares keep me motivated to bring more high quality content for you all. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel so that I can bring more amazing tutorials in the future. Okay, so let's grow together as a developer. Thank you.